What's up guys? So in this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on your iOS devices. First of all, click on Settings. Then, search for Control Center. And now click on Customize Controls. Now search for dark mode and click on the plus button. Now press the home screen button and open Control Center. Click on the dark mode icon, and as you can see guys, everything turned into black. Settings, also Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. Please follow me on Instagram, the link will be in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.